The Levoit Core Mini P Air Purifier is a compact yet powerful solution for cleaner air in small spaces. It uses three-stage filtration to remove dust, smoke, pet dander, and odors, all while running whisper quiet. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Levoit Core Mini P Air Purifier, original filter or aroma pad, power adapter and user manual. Product overview. Check filter indicator, fan speed indicators, control button, air outlet, air inlets, aroma pad, aroma box, air purifier bottom, air purifier top, AC power adapter input, original filter, AC power adapter. How to use. Remove all packaging, including any tape on the aroma box. Rotate the top half of the air purifier counterclockwise and remove it from the bottom half. Remove the filter and AC power adapter. Place the top half directly back onto the bottom half. Rotate clockwise to secure both halves. Connect the AC power adapter to the air purifier. Plug it into an outlet. To allow air to circulate freely in and out of the air purifier, maintain 15 inches / 38 centimeters of clearance on all sides of the air purifier. Maintenance. First, unplug the air purifier and separate the two halves. Unwrap the new filter and place it inside the purifier. Then secure the two halves together again. Finally, reset the check filter indicator by pressing the control button for 3 seconds. Your air purifier is now ready to go, and you can enjoy fresh, clean air. Smart features. The 360-degree air intake purifies the air in all directions, reducing dust, allergens, and household odors. Easily move the compact air purifier from room to room depending on your needs. Quiet Keep. Technology keeps noise levels as low as 25 decibels so you can enjoy fresh air while you sleep. The energy efficiency of this Energy Star certified model is based on the integrated energy factor, a ratio between the model's PM 2.5 CADR and its energy consumption, in terms of CADR per watt. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the Levoit Core Mini P Air Purifier from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Levoit Core Mini P Air Purifier. See you in the next one.